To insert checkboxes in Word, we need access to the Developer tab. If it's not visible, navigate to File, click Options, choose Customize ribbon, ensure Developer is checked and click OK. To insert your checkbox, click the Developer tab, click the checkbox content control. It looks like the checkbox. This will insert the checkbox wherever your cursor is placed, and the checkbox is instantly interactive. However, you may want to change the check from a cross to a tick with your checkbox currently selected. From the Developer tab, choose Properties and click Change next to checked symbol. Choose the font Wingdings 2. Choose the checkbox symbol with the tick and click OK. And click OK again. We also want to remove the border from around the checkbox. To do that, again select Properties from Developer. Next to Show As, click the drop down list and choose None and click OK. Once your checkbox is configured, you can simply select it, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy, and paste it into the remaining areas of your document. Subscribe for more computer tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.